Marketing has always been about connecting with your audience in the right place and at the right time. Today, that means you need to meet them where they are already spending time on the internet. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing encompasses all the marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Business leverage digital content channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with the current and prospective customers. Why is digital marketing important? Digital marketing is important because it helps you reach a larger audience than you could through traditional methods and target the prospects who are most likely to buy your product or service. Additionally, it often more cost effective than it's often more cost effective than traditional advertising and enables you to measure success on a daily basis and pivot as you see fit. What is the role of digital marketing to a company? While traditional marketing might exist in print ads, phone communication, or physical marketing, digital marketing can occur electronically and online. This means that there are far more possibilities for brands to reach customers, including email, video, social media, and search engines. Types of digital marketing: search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, native advertising, marketing automation, email marketing, online PR, inbound marketing, sponsored content. Digital marketing examples are Lego's Rebuild the World campaign, Dove's Real Beauty campaign, Jennifer Lopez's In the Morning challenge, Always Like a Girl campaign. What does a digital marketer do? The digital marketer usually focuses on a different key performance indicator (KPI) for each channel so that they can properly measure the company's performance across each one. A digital marketer who is in charge of SEO, for example, measures their website organic traffic. Of that traffic coming from website visitors who found a page of the business's website via a Google search. Digital marketing is carried out across many marketing roles today. In small companies, one generalist might own many of the digital marketing tactics described above at the same time. In larger companies, these tactics have multiple specialists that each focus on just one or two of the brand's digital channels. Inbound marketing and digital versus digital marketing. Which is it? The term digital marketing doesn't differentiate between push and pull marketing tactics, or what we might now refer to as inbound and outbound methods. Both can still fall under the umbrella of digital marketing. On the other hand, marketers who employ digital inbound tactics use online content to attract their customers onto their website by providing access that are helpful to them. One of the simplest yet most powerful inbound digital marketing assets is a blog, which allows your website to capitalize on the terms which your ideal customers are searching for. Ultimately, inbound marketing is a methodology that uses digital marketing assets to attract, engage, and delight customers online. Digital marketing, on the other hand, is simply an umbrella to a term to describe online marketing tactics of any kind, regardless of whether they are considered inbound or outbound. Does digital marketing work for all businesses? Digital marketing can work for any business in any industry, regardless of what your company sells. Digital marketing still involves building out buyer personas to identify your audience needs and creating valuable online content. However, that's not to say all businesses should implement a digital marketing strategy in the same way. B2B digital marketing. If your company is B2B, your digital marketing efforts are likely to be centered around online lead generation, with the end goal being for someone to speak to a salesperson. For that reason, the role of your marketing strategy is to attract and convert the highest quality leads for your salesperson via your website and supporting digital channels. Beyond your website, you will probably choose to focus your efforts on business. Focus channels like LinkedIn, where your demographic is spending their time online. B2C digital marketing. If your company is business to consumer, B2C, depending on the price point of your products, it is likely that the goal of your digital marketing efforts is to attract people that your websites and have them become customers without ever needing to speak to a salesperson. For that reason, you will probably less likely to focus on leads in their traditional sales and more likely to focus on building an accelerated buyer's journey from the moment someone lands on your website to the moment that they make a purchase. This will often mean to your product features in your content higher up in the marketing funnel than it might for a B2B business, and you might need to use stronger calls to actions (CTAs). For B2C companies, channels like Instagram and Pinterest can often be more valuable business found than business focused platform LinkedIn. How to do digital marketing. First, define your goal. Second, identify your target audience. Third, establish a budget for each digital channel. Fourth, strike a good balance between paid and free digital strategies. 5. Create engaging content. 6. Optimize your digital assets for mobiles. 7. Conduct keyword research. 8. Iterate based off the analytics you measure. Thank you.